So I want brush and I want to see what go on next door to Haiti. Jamaica, look a brother or whatever. Or a big brother Haiti. Gangs are fleeing. Haitian flees home as gang expand control 3 days ago. Alright, Associate Press. See, when a Jamaican don't think on too far away from Haiti. Me I tell you now how near another to Haiti. Found some opportunity in a killer. Yes, Haiti in a turmoil, uprising. A coup going in a Haiti. Coup, so. Mr. User, the mechanics. Many people correct me to me like my grammar and my language. Cause a long time we never write, so we mix up past tense and present tense. The phone I predict shit for it. So we need to work on that too. Everything will come together. It's gonna be a whole place of common sense. We have to push education, experience, whatever I do. So make this be a place. Haiti, man, I've been through it. Haiti is an example. I was in Haiti when I fought first black nation to get independence. See, our independent country. That's when Jamaica there back. Okay, Jamaica beautiful and tourists will love there. We're all up. But if you say Haiti is an example to all of the black nation we want independence, fuck around and find out. I think Jamaica is just a gas right away from being Haiti. You don't remember a gas right? Most people who listen to the channel, they might remember a gas right at Jamaica. Gas price ever spike in Jamaica. Jamaica look like Haiti. That's how close Jamaica is away from being Haiti, in my opinion. Fair use. CNN News, you take writers. News 18, me I take it. Pause. Guns continue to push deeper into Haiti capital as violence flare up. What started this new violence? Mr. Jamaica saying soldier Jamaica, Haiti. When I can jump in at people, them problem for. I don't know if one problem I can't even deal with. I'm most backwards thinking this may ever say. Dance a yard before you dance a brand. This video is a reminder what Jamaica can be tomorrow. When gas go up, everything go up. Ever see the video of them when people are Haiti? And then I can't remember the YouTube video the guy there. What am I to do the gas? Haiti. See, not him, not him. Yeah, I think.
Do you feel safe living?
Or the gas thing.
Not good.
Ay, que no hay trabajo también.
Because of the pandemic, yeah, been. So we've driven about half.
We never had a civil war.
Okay, so let's see for that one. Yep.
Soldiers run out with AK-47.
Mentionable.
Back to port. Flying around. This is nuts.
A gallon. We're not giving them more.
Pay attention, 'cause this is how close Jamaica is. to be in Haiti?
So this protest just erupted this morning. Sean lives close to my hotel. Probably 5 minutes drive. Took him 40 minutes to get there. No petrol?
The reason why he bought his gallon is because the gas station is already providing in the gallon. They're not giving the motorcycles actually.
So they won't.
Remember, I guess right, that should be a reminder. How Jamaica was everybody at Bun Street. Tires in the roadblock everywhere. And that was only for a few days. This had gone for a long years in Haiti. Luckily, there's a probably more foreign investment and investor interest in Jamaica. Why that? And guess what? As close as Jamaica is to Haiti, right? I put the boy, but I put Finland. Finland? No, what the Asian country, baby? You can put it on your laptop there. Anyway, what we use it. As much as Jamaica is so close to Haiti, Jamaica is so close to being this. This could be Jamaica. With beaches. So your city could look like this, right? Jamaica swamp.
Maybe a few streets that way. This has cost. I encourage.
So, when I ride at this, we shopping here. Down in the garrison. Or when I don't want to say this now. The last more decades now, no one starts to this. You know what starts with this in 2025. But no one see this in 2025. Or they just want to continue going with this till 2050.
More?
Yeah.
Really?
Till 2050 and watch it break right with them. So it's all in the hands of the people. You either have this or you could have this or this. Jamaica, you want this or this. If you're tired of seeing this and you want this, you need to bring common sense back. And I'm here to profit off it too, regardless. I'm living in America where it's about the capitalism. No money in there, so if you make yourself. This is not good moral money. But wouldn't mind make it for yourself. So think about which Jamaica you want. Come in and talk on the yard talk, yard vibes. And don't know, hold it again. Peace.